You searched how to buy shares of Icelandic Salmon AS. The company works in salmon farming, processing, and distribution, and is listed on Euronext under the ticker ISLAX.OL. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with a photo ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the broker's search bar and type the ticker ISLAX.OL to find Icelandic Salmon AS. Check the company name and exchange to make sure you have the correct listing. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart on Euronext. Confirm the ticker ISLAX.OL and the company details so you are looking at the right asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review any fees and the order details, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may remain pending, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio so you can track it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this example.